Good morning, everybody. It's Connie with the Artisan Company. Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day, so that means it's a beautiful day to make a piece of jewelry. Let's go see what's on the desk. All right, everybody, this is what is on the desk today. I'm so excited about this. Here is another pair of earrings that you can do in 15 minutes or less. Excuse me. The components here, I got at two places, Michael's and Hobby Lobby. Both are box stores that most of you are familiar with. But anyway, let's just look at what we've got here. Obviously, we've got ear wires and jump rings and a big thing here and something here. This thing right here is nothing but a blank piece of metal. I got these at Hobby Lobby. Technically, you use them to emboss things on, kind of like dog tags. But I decided I was going to get these for earrings instead. They're very cheap. They come several in a package, and they just make dynamite earrings. So this is about a 30 by 40 blank. And I imagine if you look online too, you could probably find some in other metal colors as well. This right here is just a little piece of acrylic. And this I got from Michael's in their charms section. And it came with a package of three different designs. There was a triangle, this one, and then there was a, what was the other thing? Can't remember. But anyway, there were three different designs in it. This was the larger design of them, and it's just an extremely lightweight piece of acrylic. Then we have some ear wires. And the thing I want to show you about these ear wires, if I can get, I have a piece of hair blowing in my mouth. My fan's blowing in my face. Okay, so about these ear wires right here, the difference is if you notice, most of the time the loop is going this way. And today they're going this way. All right. You can purchase ear wires with the hoop going across instead of up and down. These I actually turned to get them this direction, but you can purchase them like this, or you can use them exactly the way they are when you get them and use another jump ring. But anyway, little ear wires. Okay, so these are black jump rings, and I got these at Michael's as well, and they came in a package of three sizes, very reasonable. This is an 8mm, 6mm, 4mm, and that's all you're going to need to do these earrings. Now, if you don't have the blanks, if that's fine, you can use anything that's a flat object, even that maybe you can punch something in a hole in yourself. It doesn't matter, but you can get these at Hobby Lobby, and I'm sure online too. And then these I got at Michael's, but you don't have to use these. You can use anything to layer with. It does not matter. Okay. All right. We're going to get started on this. All right. I've already done one, so you kind of know where we're headed. This is where we're headed. Look how fun these are. Oh my goodness. I made myself a pair of these, only I had a different motif on the front right there. And then I also had something hanging on the back too. So, but here's where we're headed. Easy peasy. You can do this in 5 minutes. Okay, so you can see this ear wire right here is going this direction on the bottom. So if you want it to go the other way that I have mine, and you haven't purchased them like that, you can purchase them already done. But if not, this is what I did. I grabbed the bottom of it like so. Then I took the top of it and I held it with another tool. And then I just turned. Just a little bit. Doesn't take much. And there we go. And you can see it's flipped. And then you make your adjustments if you need to, adjust the closure and make sure it's closed and blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's all you did with that. All right, here we go. 5 minutes, guys. Take your large jump ring, open it up, put your ear wire on, then put your blank on. Looking at the best side here. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put on the little tiny itty bitty 4mm jump ring, and then you're going to close that up. Make sure it's closed good and tight, because these blanks sometimes are extremely thin. You want to make sure that your jump ring is connected tightly. All right, so it should look like this at this juncture. Okay, last thing, take your 6mm jump ring, open it up, put your acrylic piece on, or whatever you're using, your bead, whatever you're using, doesn't matter. Then you're going to connect that to that little tiny 4mm jump ring. Yes, that's correct, 4mm. Thought I said 6. There it is right there. Then you close that up real good. Can't hardly get my tool in there. Let me turn it just a smidgen. There we go. And close that up really good and tight. All right. And there we go. You are done. I told you could do it in 5 minutes. So these are just ideas, guys. Look at these. Aren't these fun? Oh, how much fun for fall and winter coming up, and early spring because of the bright colors and the acrylic. But like I said, you can get these blanks at Hobby Lobby or online. Use any charm you want to use. Doesn't matter. Get creative. Do something on your own. I had these in my box and I thought, oh wow, I can get a new pair of earrings in 10 minutes. So yes, sir. There we go. Aren't these just adorable? Okay, guys, I will see you guys at the next video. Bye.